recording.
You should record a continuous video.
I'm gonna show Meg how to record with it. Just go.
Just die with the thing.
Thought you were gonna use the dolphin.
There's a kitty.
Which one?
The white and the black one.
Patches. He's all wet.
Oh God. Oh, that was pretty funny.
I got it on video.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh God. Use the dolphin this time.
It's gonna use the boogie board.
Oh, now he's gonna go to whack. Here we go. Oh, this will be funny. Oh my God, I'd move. That was the block.
John was using a baseball.
Shawnee, are you gonna ride Bottlenose?
Yes.
You just ran.
One of these times he's gonna definitely